Aloha everybody and welcome to Eat and Be Eaten. Today I am going to show you a 3-ingredient compost that makes for perfect soil. The first ingredient, as you can see the culprit right here and here, cow manure. Combined with the wood chips from the Gliricidia tree. You can find numerous videos on this tree on the channel, amazing tree, and also the remnants or the grounds of coffee, so coffee grounds. Those are your 3 ingredients. When it comes to making compost, the most important thing to get right is the ratio between carbon and nitrogen. And what you're looking for ideally is a 30-part carbon to each 1 part of nitrogen by weight. At lower ratios, nitrogen will be supplied in excess and will be lost as ammonia gas, causing foul smell. So you want a 30-to-1 carbon to nitrogen, and the first ingredient and the biggest ingredient by weight here by far is going to be our Gliricidia wood chips. Now mind you, any wood chips will give you a high load of carbon, but Gliricidia is especially useful because it's really rich in protein, and so you can actually feed it to your cows in addition to making compost out of it. And the Gliricidia will also improve crop production and soil production through its rich nutrients. So that's the carbon, or what they call the brown part of the compost, and again that's going to be 30 parts to 1 part of the green or the nitrogen components, and in this case we have 2, the cow manure and the coffee grounds. So let's get into the cow manure because it also provides key nutrients in the composition of compost. When it comes to the nutrients necessary, you've got your classic NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen is responsible for plant growth, the green leafy growing. The phosphorus is what enables seed, fruit, flower production. Potassium is used in a lot of processes for a plant like photosynthesis and protein formation. And then you've also got sulfur, calcium, and magnesium. Sulfur is a common component of many proteins and vitamins. Calcium, important component of plant cell walls, and magnesium, key component of chlorophyll and photosynthesis. Now the way this plays out in cow manure for compost is the cow manure provides a lot of those important nutrients to the mix, and other advantages of using cow manure for your compost is that it improves the transportability, reduces odor, pathogens are destroyed, reduces weed seeds, can be applied to land when convenient, decreases pollutants, improves nutrient qualities. The compost releases the nutrients slowly and steadily, and improves organic matter and increases water retention of the soil. And the last key ingredient in this Trinity 3-ingredient compost is coffee grounds. Okay, so how do coffee grounds help compost? First of all, they're considered green materials, as I said, so they're rich in nitrogen, which plants are going to need for growth. But beyond that, the main thing that coffee grounds provide is that they improve the structure of the compost by helping to aerate the mixture and improve drainage. This is super useful in compost piles that tend to get waterlogged or compacted, but if you use coffee grounds, cow manure, and Gliricidia wood chips, you should not have that problem. And then finally, coffee grounds also attract beneficial microorganisms, bacteria, fungi that create rich, nutrient-dense compost. And you'll see it when you turn it. You'll see it's hot inside. It'll even be steaming, and you can see the work happening to turn these 3 things, unify them into a rich, dark soil that you can add to your garden or use in your orchard as well. So that's your 3-ingredient compost for perfect soil: Gliricidia wood chips, cow manure, and coffee grounds. That's it. If you know of any other great ways to make compost, please let us know in the comments below, and we will have more videos like this for you in the future. This has been Eat and Be Eaten Hawaii. Aloha.